Yeah. Dude, box ain't moving up.
Go tell Kay to come in.
Oh my gosh. Alright, so, hey guys, it's Panda. Mom wants you to bring her something to eat. What do you want? What do you want?
Something to eat.
What do you want to eat?
Pizza's fine.
What?
Pizza's fine.
Pizza's fine.
Pizza.
Pizza.
I don't want pizza.
He doesn't want pizza, Mom. Oh my gosh. This is what I do every day. He doesn't want pizza.
I didn't say pizza. I said Pete.
Oh. Pete.
I told you she said Pete.
Shut up. So, yo, guys. Sorry about that. But, yeah, we're outside right now, as you can see. Most around. Things. So, we're taking this broadcast on my bike. Stupid. Dang, Jimmy. Yeah. It's going to be hard doing that. But someone's up there at my grandma's. So, guys, if you... I don't know if you can see it, but if you... It's a van. It's a Jeep. I'm sorry, guys. This is my man. I thought it was a van. So, yeah, guys. We are outside right now. And we are riding my bike. As you can see in the barns. This is a pretty sexy bike, though. So, let's go. So guys, I'm sorry about this, but... If you don't see the camera anymore, guys, that means the battery fell out. Okay, it's hard to control this thing. I'm getting off. So yeah, guys, right now we are heading to throw sticks with Rockin' Roxy. As you see in my last videos, she has puppies, right? And they're chilling up there on the porch, guys. See, as you can see, they're chilling up there on the porch. Here they come. See, they're running. You're a boy. Oh, yes. You're so cute. So, guys, like and subscribe. Yeah. So, we have a stick down here. We're going to throw it. Dude, they run so freaking fast. All right, Rocky, ready? You ready, boy? Ready? One, ready? So, there you go. They have the stick. And they'll see. They'll just have like a little... tiny fight and tug of wars with the sticks. Right now we're about to go back down. Can't go back down in the woods. There's a snake back here last time I checked. A freaking snake. So guys, like and subscribe. Comment down below what I should do next in my next video. I'm not gonna end the video here, but yeah, we're back on the truck, dude. So yeah. Bucky, what my bro? As you can see, there comes Jasmine and Hunter, the owner of the puppies. What the heck? In real life, they're so close, but in the camera, they're so freaking far away, guys. Straight up, look at this. Oh my gosh, guys! It's like they're not even moving. Oh yeah, they're moving in the camera, but they're so far away when they're so close. So yeah, guys. Hope you enjoyed today's video. So we're just gonna get right into it, guys. So, guys, we are running outside. So, guys, let's get straight up into this video today, guys. So, guys, we're running to see if those chickens are there. It's like going to be like a chicken catching video, or so you guys. Oh yeah, we have some company. As you can see back there in the woods, I'm gonna show you. I'm going to show you the bad boys. Come on. Yes. I don't know if you can see that word. So let's do that. There. Just zoom up the camera, guys. We are walking over there, guys. I have to be so quiet. But guys, we're walking over there to see what's going on, what they're doing. And then we're going to see Jason and this. Okay, just right there. So that's how they be so quiet. Okay. probably hear them, but that's cool. So guys, there are the chickens. They don't even scare us. What's that? No. Hey guys. Hey guys. Hey guys. So we're going to do the River Tracks vlog. Okay, so guys, let's hop in straight into today's video. I'm sorry about this last time. Let's hop in straight into today's video, guys. So we are going down to the river.